GCSE Geography is a fascinating subject that builds on much of the work you've already done in class. Geography is the study of places and the relationship between people and their environments. Geographers explore both the physical properties of the Earth's surface and the human societies spread across it. GCSE Geography is loved by employers because geographers have a well-rounded understanding and appreciation of the world. Geography also develops a huge range of skills that employers look for. Colleges and universities also like to see geography as a good stepping stone onto a vast range of different courses. We will be following the AQA GCSE course, so let's find out how it's set up and what you'll be learning. The AQA course is split into three main sections: Living with the Physical Environment, which is Paper 1, Living with the Human Environment, which is Paper 2, and Geographical Applications, which is Paper 3. Let's look at the physical environment first. The following topics are found in Paper 1. In this section you'll explore the challenge of natural hazards such as earthquakes, volcanoes, hurricanes, climate change and our own changing climate here in the UK. As a geographer, you'll look at what is causing these natural hazards, what effect they have on people and how we can better manage them. Could you be the one to solve global climate change in the future? You'll also explore our living world, investigating ecosystems, tropical rainforests and either hot deserts or cold environments. Understanding ecosystems on a small scale along with global biomes. By understanding the characteristics of these precious places, we can see how they're being affected, along with how we can protect them and use them sustainably in the future. We then come closer to home and explore some of the physical landscapes in the UK, and you will study two topics from either river landscapes, coastal landscapes or glacial landscapes in the UK. We will examine the nature of these physical landscapes and try to understand how they develop and change, and how they can affect those who live nearby. By developing management techniques, we can live more harmoniously with these features. Maybe you will develop the next great river flood defence, or a new form of coastal management that will save a village. The second paper is concerning human geography, so let's see what's in store for you here. You will examine various urban issues and challenges related to how the world is rapidly growing. By investigating a major city in a low-income country or newly emerging economy, you can look into the issues they have, the problems this causes, and the solutions they have developed. You could be the next person to create better living conditions for people who are living in poverty. You will also look closer to home, at one of our major cities, and look at how we can help people living through sustainable urban living strategies, like waste recycling and even buses that run on... You will also investigate how the world is changing economically, how we can measure this, and how people in LICs can develop strategies to help reduce the development gap. We'll also look at the development of one low-income country or newly emerging economy as a case study and understand the steps that they have taken to improve both the quality of life and standard of living. It's also important to look at how our own country is changing, so we'll look at many different developments, from shiny new science parks to environmental issues in industry, from high-speed railways to deep-water ports, even our future links with trading partners like the EU. Resources are fundamental to our way of life, none more so than food, water and energy. You will investigate one of these resources to find out what pressures there are on them and what we can do to sustainably develop them in the future. Could you be the one to solve world hunger? Paper 3 is where you're given a booklet that focuses on one issue from your course. You'll then need to learn this information and look at the issues it raises. You'll also get to do some fieldwork, a day or two out of school, where you look at both human and physical issues. The exam will ask you about different aspects of the fieldwork inquiry and issues from your resource booklet. So, that's it! GCSE Geography is a fascinating course that will be a great addition to your CV and will help you understand and shape the world in which we live.